Hello guys, my name is Dalton Mira and I'm from El Salvador. And this video is a project for a phonology class with the purpose of improving our pronunciation and our spelling of the vowel sound. Today I will be talking to you about the vowel sound the vowel sound As we know, all the vowel sounds are voiced. It means that you can feel the vibration when you produce the sound, like Can you feel it?
As you can see, the front of the tongue is pushed further forward and is held lower in the mouth when you forming the short a sound that with any other vowel sound. The tip of the tongue will touch the inside of the bottom front teeth. The body of the tongue is rather singly upward. The jaw is lower and the lips are held apart, allowing the entire oral cavity to remain open.
Here we have some common examples. Cap, cup, hat, hat, hab, hab, has, has, had, had, ask, ask, bus, bus. Okay guys, that is all for today. If you have any comment, suggestion or doubt, just leave your message below. Thanks for watching me and see you next time. Bye.